We're going to go through a chimney stack that was going to stay, which is no longer remaining, and we're also going to get into depth of how the process on site goes. If you're new to the channel, stick around because you're not going to want to miss this. And we are now heading over to our North London project. Previously, you would have known that we came across an issue with the piling in the ground. I'm happy to say that we've overcome that issue. So we are heading down there to check in on them and see how they're getting on. It's cold. Let's get in. And we're back. It's piling day again. As you can see, we've started off the piling now with a new method. Once we finish the piling, we're going to put the ring beam in around the perimeter of the extension, followed by the reinforced concrete slab, and then we're going to start working out our steel structure. Let's go check out the steels.
With the steel work, we can't just order it all on site and try and put it all together. We have to do it in phases and think about it in a methodical way. For the rear extension, we have to get the framework in so then we can add the joists and build up. Once that's done, it gives us a good structure and support for us to continue with the rest of the build.
As you can see, you've got the mini piling rig behind me. We're drilling its 6th borehole at the moment. On average, the boreholes are going down between 11.5 and 15 meters throughout the site. In total, we have around about 17 cubes of soil coming out of these boreholes. What's happening here is the auger comes in 1 meter sections. So as it goes down, another section of 1 meter gets added on until we get to the desired depth. When that's finished, it gets pulled out and we fill it with concrete. Once the concrete's in, we then put a reinforced cage into the borehole, and that's our pile done. On top of the piling, what we're going to be doing is doing a ring beam which interconnects with the reinforced rebar that comes out of each pile. That will be at the base of our reinforced concrete slab. Once we've got the slab down, we can then start building. Let's give you an update on the piles and check out the next phase of works. Previously, this chimney was staying intact. New plan, new design, new challenges. As always in construction, you have to be adaptive. We've now put a structural scaffolding around the chimney ready for us to demolish from top down. We've also removed sections of the upper floor ready for the steel installation. We've barriered it off to make it safe, but take a look and see what it looks like down below. And that's it from today's update. Stay tuned for the next phase of works because that's where real progress starts to take shape. Don't forget to share, subscribe and like, and press that bell notification to stay up to date. See you on the next one.